My name is Ashley, and I'm creating this video because for our production project, we are to create 2 videos, one at the beginning of our project, one at the end, to kind of get a sense of where we're at before and what we've learned in the process of creating this production project. So initially I had thought about doing something with an Edison bot, which is just an orange little robot that can do many different things. And I thought about that I know a lot about the Edison bot, and that that might have been the easier way out. And so we work a lot with the Arduino bases. So I thought maybe I'd challenge myself, learn a bit about the Arduino Blink, which is their coding platform, and then I would also kind of get a little bit more knowledge on like e-textiles and microcontrollers. So here I am, diving into my very first e-textile, which is really exciting. I'm very optimistic and hopefully things will turn out. Initially, so the book that I am using, that I got this idea from, is this book right here, Making Simple Robots, by Kathy Cesary. And so I just have this page flagged. And this is a step-by-step book. It's very useful. I think this is definitely a book that I want to buy myself and have for me to test out projects that I can maybe implement into the classroom, especially the one that I'm doing now. So this project that I'm doing is called Making a Fiberbot. It's an e-textile Arduino robot. So this is what it looks like on the first page. That is the outcome that I am hoping to have by the end of this semester. And so as you can see, this book it takes you step by step. It's a really great resource. The materials, everything that you need, prior knowledge, and then it also provides, near the end, the coding aspect, which is something that I do not know a lot about. I know how to drop code, I know when the code's there, I know how to play simple coding games, but coding an Arduino circuit, no idea. So this will be a learning experience. So what I have so far at this stage in the game is that I have already created my Fiberbot. It's so cute. I'm very proud of it. So I actually had to learn how to backstitch. I backstitched this whole Fiberbot outline, and then this is just Velcroed on to the Fiberbot. And I also backstitched all of this stuff just for, I guess, maybe more of an aesthetic look than anything. So I already have that finished, and I stuffed it. One of the suggestions was to stuff it with fluff, but I forgot to buy that, so I actually stuffed it with my laundry lint that was in the dryer. And then what I will be using is, in the book, it suggests to use a Arduino Gemma. For some reason, I bought a Flora. So they're a little bit different. Same structure, they're both Solable Tech. But yeah, we're gonna experiment with the Flora and see how that turns out. I am a little bit nervous because like I said earlier, I don't know how to use the Blink coding platform for Arduino. But in the book, it has it for the Arduino Gemma and not the Arduino Flora, so I might have to do some research on the specific codes for this, if it can maybe be interchangeable or if it can be used the same as the Gemma. So this might be a forthcoming challenge. We will see. And then the next thing I have is, this is actually an 8x8, an 8x8 LED matrix, And I've actually already done some soldering, so I'm a little bit ahead. These two things right here are separate pieces, but they needed to be soldered together. They came separate, and so I've already done that. And then I've also already put the wires on that we will need. So eventually these wires will hook up to this Flora, and then I'll be able to code the Flora on my computer, upload that coding onto this Flora, which will then, because there's a circuit created, hopefully light up this 8x8 LED backpack. So I also have a battery, and the point of this battery is so that this Fiberbot can be wireless. So this backpack will go on the back of the Fiberbot and will attach to the front. Alright, so that's kind of where I am at now. I have my Fiberbot done, I have all the necessary parts to create this. Now I just need to download Arduino Blink. I've kind of played around with it a little bit. You do have to download something if you're using Microsoft, or additional add-ons if you're using a Mac, which is what I will be using. So stay tuned for the next video, because hopefully this MakerBot and this LED backpack will be lit up.